Yo, are you still doing things old school? Pen, paper? Far out, mate. That's a lot of hectares to get through. You'll be here till next season, man. Besides, we have tech now. Why not throw a drone in the air to scan your field? It's the fastest way to collect data. Pretty much anything you need, really. You can even use your phone to collect ground information super fast. Seriously, using your own drone maps as a backdrop, you can customize the app to record the exact field data you want. Take field measurements, ground truth drone data, and capture field problems and sync them to the cloud right there and then. Then, why not run your drone maps through custom machine learning algorithms to identify each plant and report their health statistics? Let the machines do the heavy lifting for a change. Need random field samples? Let the drone grab low altitude snapshots. Yeah, but this software must be expensive and I don't know how to write any fancy pants computer code, you might say. Well, fear not. The software is brilliant, open source, and you don't need to know how to code at all. GeoWing has got you. Come and learn how to do all of this and more today at GeoWing Academy.